99% of you guys are going to get this math problem wrong. So, what is 6 minus 3 multiplied by 6 minus 2? We are going to solve together. We start with this. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3, and 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Here, we're going to take this sign down here. That is 3 multiplied by 4. This is simply equals to 12. This is what many people are going to do, but this answer is incorrect. Okay, now we're going to erase and solve this the correct way using the order of operation PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. So, when you have an expression like this containing many signs like multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, first you have to start by solving what is inside the parentheses, then what is having an exponent, then next you follow by the multiplication or the division, and finally you solve the addition or the subtraction. In this expression, we have a subtraction here, we have a multiplication here, and we have another subtraction here. So we have just two signs in this expression. According to this order, we have to start by solving the multiplication before solving the subtraction. So here we go. We start by solving the multiplication. So what is 3 multiplied by 6? This is equals to 18. Then we copy this. 6 minus 18 minus 2. What is 6 minus 18? We know that 18 minus 6 is equals to 12. Then we're going to copy this sign here. That's negative 12. What is negative 12? We'll take this man down. Minus 2. Negative 12 minus 2 is equals to negative 12 plus 2 is 14. So negative 14. So this is a final answer for this expression. 6 minus 3 multiplied by 6 minus 2 is equals to negative 14. If you like the video, subscribe to receive more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.